today. No fun, and I'm bored as heck.
It's because there's nothing to do in this whole city to...
Look! Yes, this is it. 2 for Chainsaw Richard.
$20, kid.
Tiny Ghost, you've got money, right? Right? Dang.
We could just see it when it comes out on video.
No, TG. I'm seeing this movie tonight. If it's the last thing I do, nothing can stop me!
Ramses, what are you doing?
There's gotta be a way to sneak in, man. Help me look.
But that's illegal. What if jail finds out?
T-Ghost, listen. Inside this cinema, right now, is a man. A possibly burly man named Richard. And you know what he's got?
A chainsaw.
A chainsaw. Possibly chainsaws. I want to see a burly man with chainsaws. Do you want to see a burly man with chainsaws?
Okay.
We just need to find a way in. Aha! Do you think we can fit through there? Oh, yeah. Well, do you think I could fit?
Yeah, sure, man.
Wait, what are you doing in there?
Shh, I'm watching the movie.
No way! Wait for me! Gross! How far away is the theater?
I don't know, man. I had to go pretty far.
Okay. Dude with chainsaws! Dude with chainsaws! So gross! How much farther?
Did you get to the wall yet?
The wall? Dang it! How am I supposed to get up there?
Hush, dude, this is serious. Richard just got orders to save the president's hot girlfriend.
No way! Did they show the chainsaw yet?
No, not yet.
All right, I've still got time. Chainsaw, 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 chainsaw. Ugh, gross.
What's up?
This air duct is leaking gross slime.
Oh my God.
What?
Hunky McBuff guy just made a cameo.
But he's such a hunk. I'm seeing this movie no matter what.
You made it to the ledge?
Yeah.
Okay, just watch out for the Spider Queen.
The what? Tiny Ghost, how did you get past this thing?
Just float around it, dude. Worked for me.
I'm not a ghost!
Oh, yeah. Fight it or something, dude. I think they're gonna show the chainsaw soon.
Chainsaw!
That's the biggest chainsaw I've ever seen!
Chainsaw? Chainsaw!
This romantic subplot is terrible.
Yeah.
Whoa, when did you get here?
Oh, I guess I must have suffocated to death back there in that vent.
He's gonna be fine.
Thank God. What a lawsuit that would have been. What's wrong with you, kid?
What's the matter with you, Mr. Temple of Doom Air Ducts? Get that thing fixed, or I'm coming back and taking you downtown. And you're lucky I'm not taking you to jail right now, kid. Keep your adventuring at home, okay?
Hey, you okay, man?
Yeah, thanks for saving my butt. But, you know, I could have used it earlier.
Yeah. Sorry. I guess I was distracted by the awesome might of a big-budget Hollywood movie. Forgive me?
Yeah, we're cool.
I guess you did end up having an adventure after all, huh?
I guess you're right. want to see a burly man with chainsaws. Do you want to see a burly man with chainsaws?